This mega factory produces 1 million frozen pizzas every single day.
The process begins with the delivery of premium wheat flour. Silos hold enough flour to make dough for weeks.
Protein content is critical for the perfect pizza crust structure.
Water temperature controls the yeast activity in the pizza dough.
Live yeast is the biological engine of the pizza crust.
Oil gives the frozen pizza crust its tenderness and flavor.
The massive mixer simulates hand kneading on an industrial scale.
Mixing develops the gluten network that holds the pizza together.
If the pizza dough gets too hot, the yeast will die.
The massive dough batch is ready for the next stage.
Resting allows the pizza dough to relax and become stretchable.
The chunker breaks the large batch into manageable pieces.
Precision dividing ensures every customer gets the same amount of crust.
Rounding creates a smooth skin on the pizza dough ball.
The proofing tower mimics a warm, humid kitchen.
Yeast creates bubbles that make the pizza crust airy.
The dough is now delicate and full of air.
Flour prevents sticking during the flattening process.
Gentle rolling preserves the air bubbles in the pizza crust. Sheeting creates a uniform thickness for the pizza base.
Stocking prevents the pizza from puffing up like a balloon.
The classic round pizza shape is stamped out efficiently.
Nothing is wasted, as scrap dough is reused immediately.
Nowadays, human eyes spot imperfections that cameras might miss.
Par baking sets the structure of the pizza crust.
Intense heat kills the yeast and sets the shape.
A light toast adds flavor to the crust.
The crusts are now solid enough to hold toppings.
Cooling prevents the sauce from making the pizza soggy.
The sauce begins with concentrated tomato paste. A secret spice blend gives the pizza its signature taste. Cooking the sauce marries the flavors together.
The sauce is piped directly to the production line.
Automation ensures every pizza gets the exact same amount of sauce.
Rollers spread the sauce better than a spoon.
Fresh cheese is grated seconds before going onto the pizza.
A blend of cheeses creates the best melt and flavor.
Make it into flour.
seconds, a waterfall of cheese covers every inch of the sauce.
Consistent cheese coverage is the mark of quality.
Pepperoni is the most popular topping in the world.
Thousands of slices are cut every minute.
Cameras ensure the toppings are distributed evenly. Meats must be fully cooked before freezing for safety.
Crumbles provide a burst of savory flavor in every bite.
Uniform dicing ensures the veggies freeze evenly.
Fresh vegetables add crunch and color to the pizza.
Vegetables are frozen individually to remain loose.
Automated depositors sprinkle the colorful mix.
A final human check ensures the pizza looks appetizing.
A mist of water helps lock the toppings in place. Buffer systems prevent jams on the high-speed line. The pizzas now enter the Arctic zone of the factory.
Slow travel through the cold freezes the pizza to the core.
Rapid freezing preserves the freshness of the ingredients.
The pizzas are now solid as rock.
X-rays look through the pizza to ensure safety.
Plastic film protects the pizza from freezer burn.
A tight seal keeps the pizza fresh for months. Heat shrinks the film to hold the toppings in place. Cardboard provides structural support for the pizza.
The packaging line runs at incredible speeds.
Vacuum suction opens the boxes instantly. The pizza slides gently into its retail packaging.
Hot glue seals the box permanently.
Tracking codes are essential for food safety.
Underweight pizzas are rejected automatically.
Aster cases hold 12 pizzas for shipping.
Cases are sealed for the journey to the warehouse.
Robots stack the heavy cases with perfect precision. Wrapping secures the load for transport. The warehouse is kept at 20 degrees below zero.
Automation manages the massive inventory of pizzas.
The factory is scrubbed clean every single night.
Hygiene is the most important part of the process.
The lab confirms the line is sterile.
Preventive maintenance keeps the line running.
Specialized rooms allow for gluten-free production. Strict protocols protect allergic consumer. Modern trends demand new types of pizza crusts. Stuffing the crust requires complex machinery.
The dough is sealed tight to keep the cheese inside.
The factory is flexible enough to make snack sizes.
French bread pizzas offer a different texture.
Communication keeps the mega factory running smoothly.
美味しいですね。味のバランスも完璧ですね。
はい、希望を待たしていますね。ご座しておきますが。
Machines measure the crunch to ensure satisfaction.
Food waste is converted into energy.
Sustainable practices reduce the factory footprint.
And Godnin. Clean hands are the first rule of food safety.
Protective gear prevents contamination of the food.
High-velocity air removes loose particles.
The line is hungry and needs constant resupply.
The entire plant is monitored from one room.
Rapid response minimizes expensive downtime.
Accuracy is legally required for packaged food.
Liquid nitrogen powers the rapid freezing tunnel.
The cheese must have the perfect stretch.
Sugar levels in the tomatoes vary by season.
Manual work supports the automated systems.
Safety systems protect the workers.
The factory hums back to life.
Packaging design sells the pizza in the store.
Innovation drives new pizza flavors.
Consumer feedback shapes the final product.
Getting the pizza to the store frozen is a challenge.
Trucks must be pre-cooled to protect the cargo.
The cold chain must never be broken.
Seals prevent tampering during transit.
Smart trailers monitor temperature in real time.
The pizza moves to a central warehouse.
Automated systems replenish store stock.
The final leg of the journey begins.
The pizza is now ready for the customer.
customers trust the consistency of the product. The manufacturing cycle is complete.
The pizza waits for a hungry moment.
Preparation at home is simple.
The packaging did its job, protecting the food.
Direct heat crisps the bottom of the crust.
The science of baking happens in the home.
The crust is crispy and the cheese is hot.
The result is a hot meal for the East Asian family.
Taste is the ultimate test of the factory's work.
Providing a hot meal for millions.